93% of divorced people unknowingly sabotage their own recovery within the first 6 months. And what I'm about to reveal will either save you years of misery or expose the brutal mistakes you're already making right now. There's a reason why some people emerge from divorce stronger, wealthier, and happier than they've ever been, while others spiral into depression, debt, and toxic relationship after toxic relationship for decades. The difference isn't luck, timing, or circumstances. It's knowing these 7 secrets that therapists won't tell you and divorce lawyers deliberately keep hidden because they profit from your confusion. What you're about to discover in the next few minutes will completely change how you see your divorce, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your ex is terrified of who you're about to become. The first thing you absolutely must stop doing is feeding the blame spiral that's eating you alive from the inside. Every day you spend replaying what your ex did wrong, how unfair everything was, or how you were the victim in all of this, you're actually rewiring your brain to stay stuck in victim mode. Making emotional decisions based on feelings rather than facts leads to long-term regrets, and this victim mentality becomes a toxic pattern that will sabotage every relationship you try to build moving forward. Your ex has already moved on with their life while you're still giving them free rent in your head, and there's something they desperately don't want you to figure out. Every minute you spend in blame mode is a minute stolen from discovering the version of yourself that will make them realize they made the biggest mistake of their life. Stop checking their social media, stop rehearsing arguments you'll never have, and prepare yourself for what I'm about to expose about the financial traps they're hoping you'll fall into. But emotional healing means nothing if you're financially bleeding out. And most people make devastating money mistakes right after divorce that haunt them for decades. Strategic financial planning during divorce is crucial, especially with new alimony tax implications taking effect in 2025. Here's the financial secret your divorce lawyer never told you. There are hidden traps designed to keep you financially dependent and struggling for years after your divorce is finalized. Your ex and their attorney know exactly which accounts to leave active, which automatic payments to forget about, and which credit monitoring services to avoid telling you about. One missed payment on an account you didn't know existed can destroy your credit score right when you need it most. And this isn't an accident. Get obsessive about tracking every single financial connection because your credit score is your ticket to complete independence. And what I'm about to reveal next will blow your mind about the psychological warfare happening right under your nose. The third mistake that's keeping you trapped is letting your mental space become a dumping ground for everyone else's opinions and your ex's continued influence through social media and mutual friends. When people get divorced after decades of marriage, they often struggle with the unexpected end of what they thought would last forever. You're scrolling through photos of your ex looking happy, reading comments from people who think they know your business, and letting every piece of gossip or update about their new life send you into an emotional spiral. This digital stalking is psychological manipulation, and your ex knows exactly what they're doing when they post those perfectly curated photos designed to make you feel like you're missing out. Block them everywhere, not because you're bitter, but because you're about to discover something that will make their fake happiness look pathetic compared to what's coming for you. Unfollow mutual friends who can't resist sharing updates, create bulletproof boundaries with gossiping family members, and prepare yourself for the identity transformation that will leave everyone speechless. What happens next is where most people completely lose their way. They try to get back to who they were before the marriage, and that approach will keep you stuck forever. Here's the reality check nobody wants to hear. The person you were before your marriage doesn't exist anymore, and trying to resurrect that version of yourself is like trying to fit into clothes from 20 years ago. You've grown, experienced pain, learned lessons, and developed strength you didn't know you had. There are ways to protect yourself and prepare for more joyful chapters ahead, but only if you embrace becoming someone entirely new. This is your opportunity to become the person your ex will spend the rest of their life regretting they lost, but only if you avoid the devastating co-parenting mistake I'm about to expose that can destroy your children's future and hand your ex permanent ammunition against you. If you have children, the mistakes you make in co-parenting during this transition period can cause permanent damage that affects them for the rest of their lives. The biggest trap is using your kids as emotional support, information sources about your ex, or weapons in ongoing conflicts. Your kids didn't choose this divorce, and they shouldn't have to carry the emotional weight of adult problems or feel like they need to pick sides. Every time you make a snide comment about their other parent or use them as your emotional support system, you're actually giving your ex legal ammunition they can use against you in custody battles while traumatizing your kids in ways that will require therapy for years. They need you to be the stable, secure adult who can handle your own emotions. And what I'm about to reveal next about dating too soon will shock you about the toxic patterns you're unknowingly creating. The next trap that destroys people's progress is jumping into new romantic relationships before they've learned to be alone and actually like their own company. Recovery takes time, and taking small steps towards a positive direction while allowing yourself to feel okay is essential. Dating too soon after divorce isn't about finding love, it's about avoiding the discomfort of being alone with yourself and your thoughts. When you haven't spent time rediscovering who you are as an individual, you'll become a magnet for predators who can smell desperation from miles away. And you'll repeat the exact same toxic patterns that destroyed your marriage. You need to become the kind of person you'd want to date before you start dating other people. And what I'm about to reveal about creating your future vision will determine whether you become unstoppable or stay trapped forever. The final piece that separates people who thrive after divorce from those who stay stuck is developing a clear, compelling vision for what your new life will look like and taking daily action towards that future. Most people spend all their energy looking backwards at what went wrong instead of looking forwards at the incredible life that's waiting for them. And your ex is counting on you staying stuck in the past. While they're probably sitting around making the same mistakes that destroyed your marriage, you're about to architect a life so amazing that everyone who knows you will wonder how you transformed so completely. Get specific about exactly what you want your life to look like in 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years from now, and write it down. And start taking one action every day that moves you towards that vision. The truth about life after divorce is that it will either destroy you or transform you into someone so powerful and attractive that your ex will spend sleepless nights wondering how they let you slip away. The choice isn't in what happened to you, it's in what you choose to do next. When you stop feeding the blame spiral, secure your financial fortress, protect your mental space like it's worth millions, embrace your complete transformation, handle co-parenting like the strategic genius you are, become someone worth dating before you date anyone else, and architect a future so compelling that it pulls you forward every single day, you don't just recover from divorce, you emerge as the person you were always meant to become. Your ex made the mistake of letting you go, but their biggest shock is coming when they realize they didn't just lose you, they unleashed you.